Maxima auctions. Let's go see it and discover it together. Follow us. Let's start, as usual, with some technical features of the boat. 800 stands for 8 meters, so the length of the boat is 8 meters, 255. The width of the boat we have installed 200 horsepower today. Honda, 2 engines of 200 horsepower each. So that's a total of 400 horsepower pushing this fantastic boat. Access to the boat sun deck, the one in front, is ultra safe and comfortable. In fact, we have it on the cabin door because we also have a cabin underneath here. As I was telling you about the super safe steps, the passage is very convenient. In fact, in this position, I'm inside the boat and it's super safe and I can easily access the sunbathing area. Up front, the space. There's plenty of space here too. In fact, even if I want to lie down, I'll show you right away. I'm totally fine with that. A double bed for 2 people also up front. Not bad. Moving the access to the front sunbathing area and then opening the step-shaped door or the step shaped like a door, I completely shift onto the railing and go down into the cabin. The stairs here are definitely comfortable. I'm stepping inside this beautiful cabin. Come in with me to discover it. Double bed at the front, we have 4 sleeping spots. In fact, right in front of me, we have an additional transverse double bed for the width of the boat, so 4 people can comfortably sleep. On board this Maxima 800. And we also have a separate bathroom. Let's go discover all the details. Going down into the cabin, right to the right. In the descending steps, we have the separate toilet area. Currently, a chemical toilet is installed, but it's also possible to install a marine toilet, of course. In front of me, the sink also has enough space in width. The height is manageable, but still for a weekend or a few days on the boat, you can really be comfortable. And you can easily do everything you need for a toilet of this brand. You will find all the technical information about the boat, in addition to the commercial details, in the drop-down of this video and also in the video description. You'll find all our contacts to deepen your knowledge, to really get into the specific details, even for commercial matters. Why not? To make it yours soon, or to solidify an even more definitive thought about this brand new Maxima 800 cabin. If you don't want to miss any of our videos, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel. From the Düsseldorf Boat Show 2025, I'm not getting too excited. What can I say? Fair winds and always keep an eye on the weather.